go to any web browser you're using on your phone. For this video, I'm making use of Google Chrome web browser. Tap on the search bar and search for Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This is what we are looking for. Here, you are going to see this first option here. This first option, just tap on it to open it, and it will bring you to this interface. If you don't know how to sign into this website, I'll leave a video in the video description that will guide you on how to sign into this website. But not signed in yet. If you want to sign in at this point, this place where you see surprise me, you are going to see join and create. Tap on the join and create, and it's going to give you access to sign in. All right, so for this video, I'm going to give you the prompt I'll be using in this video at the end of the video. But for now, let me show you how to edit this prompt and what you will change in the prompt. Now you're going to tap inside this box and paste your prompt. So I'm going to tap here and paste my prompt here. Okay, so this is the prompt you'll be using. I said 4K hyper realistic, create of a luxurious supermarket with people buying things with these words Amaka Superstore written on a banner in the supermarket. All right, so here we are saying that the AI should create a 4K hyper realistic of a luxurious supermarket. So we are creating a supermarket AI image for a supermarket, or you can change this supermarket if you are into hair salon, or if you are into any kind of business you are into, you can put that there. Then with people buying, so you are describing what people are doing in the shop. Okay, then we are saying the AI should write these words on a banner at the front of either at the front of this the shop or inside the shop. So you can change this Amaka Superstore to your own brand name. Okay, all right, so those are the things you will edit inside this prompt. When you are done editing those stuff, you tap on the create button here to start your creation. So after, when the AI is done creating, I'm going to show you the outcome of this image. All right, so our image is done creating. You can see the image we got from this. I'm going to tap on any of this image to give you a preview. So this is the first image. You can see that the AI did a great job of maintaining the spelling of the name we provided, Amaka Superstore. So if you scroll to your right, you can see other ones here. Scroll like this, you can see other images. And if you want to download this image, just tap on the one you like, then tap on these three dots here. If I tap on here, you are going to see a download button. Tap on the download button, and this image is going to be downloaded to your device. Now let's create another image with another name. Okay, so I'm going to just paste my prompt here. So I'm going to change this name. For this name, let me say let's say John Salon. Hair salon. Then here I'm going to change this supermarket. For this, I'm going to say a luxurious hair store. So here I'm going to say a luxurious hair store. Then here a banner in the hair store. Then here I'm going to tap on the create button, and let's see. So now you can see our image. So let me tap on this to preview this image. You can see how the image comes out. This is the image. You can see people are all here. So this is how you create this image. To get access to this prompt, you open the description of this video. You will see a link there. Tap on the link and you can copy the prompt that I use in this video. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my updates. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.